What's up everybody, it's Chris from Development Division, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and install your cabin air filter on your 2023 Honda Civic. Let's get into it, and you're going to need to access it through this glove compartment. This glove compartment, each side has a little tab hanging off of it that keeps it in place. What we're going to do, push that in, and now, on your left side, there is a little bit of a weird looking piece. Push it down, and you can now fish out that, and you can kind of push down, and then as you see, this thing is already starting to fall out. You can pull this out, and there is your whole glove box. These two tabs are in the bottom corners away from you, and there's some accompanying holes here, and it's just a snap fit. So open it all the way and then give it kind of a gentle tug, and as you can see, there's little indents at the top, and that's where it snaps into place. Here's that lever. Kind of like on some suspension. If you kind of pushing it in and out, it feels like it's kind of a suspension holding up the glove box. Look at this. This is an airbag. And then up here, there's a tab on each side, and we'll just push each tab on each side. This will come out. These are those tabs, both sides. Now, I heard on TikTok that you can use this end of the tab to hook the cabin air filter. I think it's a whole bunch of malarkey, but let's see. Nah, dude, that's not gonna work. I do have a K&N air filter in here, reusable, and it is kind of a tight fit. Let me see if I can remove this here. There we go. I think. Ooh, that's dirty. This is the port where your cabin air filter goes. Kind of looks like a VHS slot. I'm going to go ahead, clean the back side of this bracket here. It's kind of a little bit dusty in there. I'm going to go ahead and rinse that out with some warm soap and water. This is a reusable K&N air filter. I'll leave a link in the description box below. So I'm just going to clean this, let it dry, and then I'll show you the installation process. Installation is quite simple, just the reverse process. So we'll stick in our filter, make sure that seats all the way, and then we'll get our cover. That does have an arrow indicating which side goes up. Make sure this goes on straight. That's clicked into place. So now we can attach our glove box. So we're first going to locate the two bottom holes. We're going to put that in first. Once they're lined up, do a little pop. That should be in place. You can push in the two sides, they'll snap in. So now the four corners are connected to the glove box. And then we'll reach in here. So this piece, you can move forward, you can move it back, and there's a hook on the end of it that's going to connect to this rod on the left side of the glove box. We'll go ahead and reach it behind, hook that, Put our finger behind it, pull up until you hear that click, and now that's locked in place. Now you have a soft open. Without it, just a little bit quick action. It's a nice little touch here. And we're good to go.